In this video, I will show you how to make Parmesan Encrusted Tilapia fillets. For this recipe, you will need 4 tilapia fillets, 2 tablespoons of canola oil, a half a cup of panko, a half a cup of Parmesan cheese, 1/4 teaspoon of rosemary, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 2 lemons, and 2 eggs. First, wash off your tilapia fillets. And then pat them dry. Beat the eggs in one bowl. And in another bowl, mix together the panko, Parmesan cheese, rosemary, salt, and pepper. Using the assembly line method, dip the fillets in the egg and then cover with the dry ingredients. Heat half the canola oil in your skillet on medium-high heat. Add 2 of the fillets to the skillet and cook for about 3 minutes per side or until they're completely done. After the first 2 fillets are cooked thoroughly, you're just going to remove them from the pan and repeat this process using the rest of the oil with the other 2 fillets. Now cut the lemons into quarters to serve with the fish. Tilapia pairs great with some vegetables on a side salad. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you try to make this, let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any great recipes.